And well, on to our headlines today impact report. The Election Commission has now taken cognizance of Headlines Today report on a massive electoral fraud in Bangladeshi enclaves inside India. So after we aired these pictures of residents admitting that they paid money to get voter ID cards, the poll panel has promised probe and action.
74-year-old Mansoor Ali Mia lives in India but has never voted. However, his sons do. The reason? He is a resident of Bangladeshi enclaves in India. Enclave is a patch of land of the neighbouring country. In India's case, it's Bangladesh where its citizens reside but without identity.
Out of the 51 Bangladeshi enclaves in India, one of them is Puatur Kuthi. The region is divided in very simple imaginary line. The area is demarcated in the way that this part is India and that part is the enclave. The fact is that most of the people who live in India are allowed to work in India. However, the ones living in Bangladeshi enclave are not allowed. That's the reason why they resort to illegal means for procuring voter ID cards and other identifications.
For others, it's a deal. They are ready to spend money and get an identity. In fact, some of them give fake names of their parents too.
আমি কি করি ভোটার ফটো করব আমার স্বামী কয়বাড়িতে বাস করে বাচ্চা কাচ্চা স্কুলেতে ভর্তি করে দিতে পারি না অন্যকে বাবা মা সাজাতে হয় যে ফটো করছি 3000 টাকা খরচ করি ফটো করছি কাটি দিছে
Some however are smarter and get their children married to Indians in order to get an identity.
প্রথম ছেলেকে বিয়ে দেওয়া আছে হেমন্তনে জলপাইগুড়ি হেমন্তন ওখানে ওর শ্বশুর বাড়িতে নাগরিকত্ব করে দিয়েছে তবু ওখানে 3-4 হাজার টাকা খরচা আছে খালি ইন্ডিয়ান নাগরিকত্ব নিতে
In this election season, the local leaders have started campaigning with flags and are becoming a part of this vicious cycle.
মনে করেন আগে কেউ আসতো না অনেক টাকা পয়সা খরচা করে এখন ভোট করেছি এখন সবাই ভোট চাইতে আসছে এখন আগে মনে করেন করছি 2000 টাকা দিয়ে এখন 10000 টাকা দেওয়া লাগে এখন মনে করেন যে গরিব মানুষ টাকা কোথায় পাবো এখন
But after Headlines Today's report, the Election Commission has taken cognizance and promised action.
This complaint we have received and District Election Officer of Cooch Behar is thoroughly inquiring it. He is looking after this, and all those if anybody is found to be guilty of this act, he will be necessary action as per law will be taken.
With Manogya Loiwal in Cooch Behar, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.